Hello students, and we are here with a new video today, and in today's video we will be learning about the rectifier. It's an application of junction diode. Okay, so everybody knows that what is PN junction. When there is a combination of P and N junction, it is called a PN junction. Okay, now you very well know that in N side majority carriers are electrons, and in the P side holes are the majority carriers. Now from the BI characteristic of a junction diode, we see that it allows current to pass only when it is in forward biased. Okay, so we very well know that in forward bias the diode works, and in the reverse bias diode does not work. So here, if we apply an alternating voltage across the diode, the current flows only in that part of the cycle when the diode is forward biased, and this property is used to rectify alternating voltages, and the circuit used for this purpose is called a rectifier. Okay, so let's start with the half wave rectifier. Now, as I told you that this half wave rectifier, first of all, let's see what all are here. What all is here. So first is the transformer. The circuit includes first the transformer. So why the transformer? Because transformers, they have two uses. First is to provide isolation, and second to drop the voltage to the desired level which we want. For example, if you have 220 volts AC available and you need 12 volts, you can drop it using a transformer. Second, we have the diode. Now you know that diode works when it is forward biased, and when it is reversed biased, it does not conduct. Now what's happening over here is the secondary of a transformer supplies the desired AC voltage across the terminals S1 and S2, and when the voltage at S1 is positive, the diode is forward biased and it conducts. When when S1 is negative, the diode is reversed biased and it does not conduct. The reverse saturation current of a diode is negligible, and it can be considered equal to 0 for all the practical purposes. Now if you see the input and the output characteristics, the input we have plotted between the voltage at S1 and between the time, and the second one which we've plotted, the output characteristic, it is plotted between the voltage across RL and the time. Now what's happening, see, in the positive half cycle of the AC, there is a current through the load resistor RL, and we get an output voltage like this, only the positive half cycle, whereas there is no current in the negative half cycle. Why? Because in reverse bias it does not conduct. So that means again in the next positive half cycle we'll get the output voltage, and again in the negative half cycle there will be no output. So the output voltage, it is still varying, but it is restricted to only in one direction, and hence we say that the output is rectified, or we can say only half of the input AC wave is obtained, or it is rectified, and this is the basic use of a half wave rectifier.
Thank you. Please like, subscribe my channel